Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi.
Hi, are you sure you can prepare for product based companies through this course?
Yes, sitting at home?
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Yes.
Hey, what do you mean by a self paced course?
Well, the course material is available in the form of video lectures. And there are multiple practice problems that come along as well. So, you can access all of it anywhere, anytime. And they are available to you for lifetime.
No way!
Oh, yes way. Don't delay and enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello guys and welcome back to this amazing channel Geeks for Geeks Practice. This is Abhinav and today we are again back with the next problem of the day, which is distinct difference. So yesterday's problem was very hard, but yeah guys, today's problem is an easy problem. It's not that much hard. It's a easy level problem. Before starting, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all, and then we'll start live. Hi Rishit, hi, how are you? Okay, audible and visible. Great, guys. So let's start then. Let me share the screen and let's start today's live. Let's complete it as soon as possible because it's easy. So let's make it short only, okay? So the problem is distinct difference. Given an array A of length n, for each index I, find the difference between number of distinct elements in its left and right side of the array in its left and right side of the array. Okay, so if you will see, if you will take the example which is given to us, so this is the example, let's say. Okay, so tell me, guys, tell me one thing. Just a minute. Yeah. So guys, tell me one thing that for this particular array, like we have multiple indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's talk about each index one by one. Okay. Tell me how many distinct characters are there in right of this index and left of this index? How many distinct characters are there in right of this and left of this? This zero index, बताओ. लेफ्ट में कितने हैं राइट में कितने हैं सो लेफ्ट में देयर आर नो डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स जीरो एंड राइट में टू दो है सो योर डिफरेंस विल बी -2 ओके सो हियर आंसर विल बी -2 similarly in this case, so see guys, we are not counting that particular element. Okay, we are not counting that, we are counting left and right only. Okay, like for the second case, in the left we have one distinct, in the right also we have one distinct, so it will be 0. For this, in the right one distinct, left one distinct, so 0. Here in the right 2 here, so it will be -2. So this is your output for this particular case, -2. Oh sorry, it will be 2 because left में 2 है, right में 0. So this will be your answer for this particular case. Is it clear how this answer is coming? You are just subtracting the distinct element in left minus distinct element is right. That is what we are simply doing. Is it part clear? So that we can discuss how many distant maps are there. Okay. So guys, what we will do is we will take two maps. We will create two maps. Okay. The first map is left and right map. So we will take a left map and we will take a right map. Okay. Now, so initially in the right map, I will store all the elements. Initially in the right map, I will take all the elements. So, like 4 is present 2 times, 3 is present 2 times. And in the left, there is nothing. Okay. So when we have got a 4, means that 4 will be separated from the R. Means in the right, now we have 1 4 and 2 3s. Okay. Tell me guys, how many distant elements are there in the right? Batao. How many distant elements are there in the right? 2. There are 2 distant elements. And how you can calculate it? Actually, it's the size of the right map. You can see the R dot size is 2. And left kitne? How many are there left? 0. Because left is empty, so it's 0. So difference will be 2 like R dot like L dot size minus R dot size. Simply. It will be minus 2. Now next part. When we will go next part, this particular will also be. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक 4 आ जाएगा. A 4 will come. Okay. Yeah, it is number of keys. Exactly right. You are right. Okay. Now is this 4 also gone. So when the key value will become 0, I will also delete the key. Okay. Now guys, what is the left ka size? How many elements are in left? 1 element. The size of the left. And how many elements are there in right? Distinct 1. Because the size of right is also 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay. Again I will move forward. So when I move forward, I will increment this particular operator and I will go forward. So now it will be 3. So this will be decreased. Okay. Now again left is 1, right is 1. Again 0. It will become 1. And now it will move forward. Now it will become 0. This will be deleted. Now left is 2 and right is 0. So means 2 minus 0, 2. So this is how your answer will be done. This is how you can find the answer. So let's quickly implement this thing. Okay. What we will do is we will take two maps. So map int comma in L comma R, left and the right map. ठीक है. Please help me guys to tell what to do. अब क्या करेंगे guys बताओ. अब क्या करेंगे? Next step क्या होगा? What is the next step? First we will take the frequency of all the elements of the array in the right map. Right map we will take all the frequency of the elements. Okay. So I will iterate through the array. Exactly. Great result. And in R, I will have the frequency. Okay, now what we will do is for all the elements, as we will go on, as I am taking an element, so let's write it again. So like it was like this, 4 2 3 2. So when I will go on, first of all I will remove that element from the right. Means it is not in the right of it. So मैं 4 को इस right से हटा दूंगा, like decrease कर दूंगा. So I will make right that element minus 1. And if that element is becoming, the value of that element is 0, so means erase it from the map. Okay, the very first part that we will do, erase it from the map. Okay. Now what we will do is we have to find, it told a value in a vector, so I will take a vector answer, and in the answer I will store a value. Our value will be answer dot push back. As I told you, value is left size minus right size. So value will be left size minus right size. And then I will add that element in the L. In L, this element will be added. At the last, simply return the answer element. Let's make it an unordered map also, like because there's no need of taking ordered map. That's not required. You can see the sample test case has been passed. Let's run this code. You can see all the test cases have been passed. All the test cases have been passed. Okay. If we talk about the space and time complexity, so you will see we have taken a map and a vector also. So space complexity for this particular program is order of n. And if we talk about the time complexity, so you can see that we are simply iterating through the array 2 times. So the time complexity order of 2n, or we can say order of n. So it is done in linear time and linear space. So time complexity and space complexity linear. So it's a linear complexity solution. Okay. So I hope that you have got this particular proof. The problem was quite easy. Okay, today's problem was a little bit easy. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Just read a one. Okay. I hope you all have solved this problem earlier. Okay. Great. So fine, guys. Is it done? So that's all for today's live. Yeah, that's all for today's live, guys. So let's meet again in the next class. Okay, most probably that will be next weekend, next Saturday, with a new problem of the day. Till then, happy coding, keep coding. Have a good day. All the best. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.